hell, if we've been honest, maybe even years, on how I want to be remembered. I feel like no one knows the real me, like the real Shy. Some days I don't know what I want to do or even what I want to wear, but I do know who I am, and you will too. I have story times for days that taught me so many life lessons, and ain't no telling what you'll see on a weekend vlog, child. Welcome to my channel. Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Shy, and I'm back. Seriously this time. Sometimes we just need a mental break from things. But weekend vlog. Ooh, I hope y'all didn't see my messy room. Oh well, if you did, I don't care. I'm going to an empty room. But I'm back with a weekend vlog. We're gonna have fun today. Today's my cousin, well, last week was my cousin's birthday. Let me get into some light. Bathroom. All right, I think I look cute. Bathroom a mess too, y'all, but oh well. But so last week was my cousin's birthday, so we're going bowling today for her. Malky is going to his family's barbecue today. Had to miss out on that one. But we're gonna link back up later today. We're gonna have a good day. It's Saturday. Let's vibe. Oh y'all, summertime just be like, is it even summer yet? I don't know, but I really miss y'all. We have a lot of catching up to do. Not really, nothing's changed, but I'm back. Well, I probably need to clean this camera off. I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna clean y'all later. I got a little wipe in my purse. Y'all, it's so hot out here in Georgia. Jesus. So now I'm in the car, about to go to my grandma's house. I guess she riding with us. Yeah. I'm just thinking about like everything, y'all. It's Memorial Day weekend. Tomorrow my mom's cooking a little bit, just a little bit. It ain't no big cookout. So me and Malky probably come up here.
I told y'all. Lee, your ball was too heavy. She went up there and said, I want the same one. What I gotta hit y'all?
Oh, it's already recording.
Oh.
You get no chance.
Well, I'm gonna show y'all something. The old shit. She's I'm finna show y'all some. Y'all watching them. Watch out. She's gonna move out my way.
Don't go on me,
Auntie. Go, Lee, go. I'm gonna be ready this time.
You supposed to have that camera when she was there. You supposed to have that camera on you. I see you just showed out. You not there? So you didn't get that far? I just said you supposed to have that camera.
She gonna run it back one more time though. She gonna run it back.
God damn, crazy.
Just on us. Not the gang.
Just me. It's my ball right there. It's my ball right there.
What, Auntie, the ball?
Yeah, Auntie,
See, that's why I got these on, because I got a grip. I can't slide.
Lee head on the boat with you. Okay, Mom. Show where you were going. Show me your turn.
I cleaned it up, though. I cleaned it up. Clean up, man. Clean up, man. Come on, boo. I'm the clean up, man.
Asia, how you ride right on your time and your name though?
Brian, where the score is? Where the score is?
Don't care where we at. no more. Shit. That didn't look safe. She act like she rolling strikes and shit. Don't want it both. Want it both of you like she rolling strikes and stuff. I got one. Like that every time, birthday girl, every time.
I know this is a free win over on my lane. My lane free win. I just can't let them motherfuckers bust it down.
That's because he don't got stripes. Them stripes. Them stripes.
I don't remember him getting no strike on the first
No,
roll.
he got stripes every time.
Come on, Brian. There you go.
Brian, get on. Oh, look at Quasi getting bowling on too. What the heck?
Oh, that ain't gonna get it, though.
Do that one more time, Brian. I missed one more time.
Man. What the red ball mean?
It's called painted pen, y'all. It's just a painted pen.
Who go?
Brian.
Well, you remember shot at his birthday hill.
Oh, he bowling on the phone.
Oh yeah, it's going right in the gutter.
Yeah.
Papa was over there playing.
She cleaned up. She don't she cleaned up.
TT, what you got? What you got?
That is not how Brian told you to bowl.
Every time, Kiki. Every time. Aim for the middle arrow. Aim for the arrow in the middle of the floor.
Okay, Kiki.
Quiet, one quiet.
Oh, I'm ready to go.
Y'all want a third one or y'all want
No, I doubt it'd be a third. Mia, it goes back to Mia.
See, Quasi got them.
Oh, Quasi, you get all straight? Oh, they got keys! Shot, I gotta get ready to go. Shot. I gotta get ready to go.
You want me to record?
My time. I like this. Where you got? Wait a minute. Y'all need to go to Oregon. Hold on, wait. Okay, big. You ain't do that.
I got you on camera this time. Okay, auntie.
She didn't fall this time.
I gotta clean this up.
Go ahead, clean it up.
got something in
You didn't clean it up. He didn't clean up. Now it's on me. What ball was it?
Whenever the next
Go, Pussy.
Keep this on live.
I got the recorder. I got it going. Hey, Mian. How are you?
Which one yours? Because this was small. Yours.
Cuckoo's up next. Her and Pussy. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? What they gonna do? What they gonna do? They ain't doing that.
I'm like baby roll.
I'm about to start rolling like Blake in a minute. He be striking out rolling slow.
Okay, cleaned it up. Okay.
Okay, all right. Trill cleaned it up. Trill cleaned it up.
I missed one.
I started actually when I was little.
So, Quake, how much are you got? Oh, Quake, I bring bottle wine.
That was me. Oh, I gotta knock the red one down. Oh, she cleaned it all the way up. Yeah. Yeah, that me.
Oh, you only got one.
I don't bowl in real life. Damn. That bitch went around. What she gonna do? What she gonna do? What she gonna do? What she gonna do? She ain't doing that neither. Brian over there. We all here from my mother's gathering. Miss Gemini. Hey, let us see you do it. Let us see you do it. Let us see you do it. Yeah, just like that.
Damn fail.
What's up, Mia?
What's going on?
Auntie, you done damn fail. What? How did you fall? How did you fall?
Listen, what a fool that though.
Turn the camera on. How the hell did you fall? You want oyster chicken on the back? She thought she was the ball.
How much it cost? Let me see. Let me see. What else they got? Alright, Kiki up next. Kiki up next.
Wait a minute.
Kiki, do that thing. Do that thing. Do it. Do that thing, Kiki. My bad. I got you. No, I'm so. That right, Kiki. Do that thing. Yes, sir. Come on. Don't play with Kiki. Clean it up, Kiki. Clean it up. She gonna clean it up. She about to clean it up. Clean it up, Kiki. Clean it up, Kiki. Clean it up.
She's not finna clean it up.
That's okay. She did her best, though. She did her best, though. Let me see you clean it all the way up.
I'm finna wipe it down.
Wipe it down. Look, they need her turn yet till I'm about to wipe it down.
My bad, Quay.
My bad, I went out of turn.
Let go, Quay. Let go, Quay. Let go, Quay. What you doing with it? Don't play with that man. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on with my cuz, though. Y'all know what's going on. He gonna wipe it down. He gonna wipe it down. Let's go. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Quay gonna wipe it down. Quay gonna wipe it down.
Okay, he wiped it down. You ain't gotta keep recording and saying that.
Let's see what Daddy about to do. Let's see what Daddy about to do. What Daddy gonna bring on? Okay.
I'm finna wipe it down.
You finna wipe it down.
Long Moscow beat you. I gotta clean up.
Daddy got the most points up there.
You got to go up some line.
Hey, fat.
Big Daddy in the lead. Big Daddy in the lead.
Damn lead.
Where's
That zero gonna turn goddamn to motherfucking. That zero gonna change.
I need to record this, because I feel like people really can't.
Yeah, we got all. That's 10, 20, 30, 40.
Okay, it's on trip.
Oh no, how they? Is it
Then they like bubble up.
Yeah, right. I can't remember.
What they got going on over there? I don't know who doing what over there.
Shut up.
I ain't doing nothing over here, so it's okay.
I'm in the lead over there.
Hey, I ain't taking no picture. I'm just recording. I'm just a messenger. I'm just a messenger. That's all. Let's get it. Let's get it. What you doing, Trill? Trill ready to knock somebody out.
Come on.
All right, Auntie, what you doing? Don't go down there. Yes, sir.
Not one down.
What time? Go, man.
You didn't record that.
China, you want me to go
Yeah, I got it. I
China,
got
go ahead. You recorded.
You record this right here.
All that rocking back and forth.
it. Did me, y'all. Did me, y'all. Big dog. Big dog. Big dog.
And they talking about how you gonna do that with the camera.
Don't ever underestimate the big dog. Ever. That they problem. Yeah. For real, I can turn it around. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just walking and talking. Okay, cool. Yes, sir.
Why you worry about this like I go?
Oh, it went around. So I just turned it back like this.
Over bar. Get him with bang. Get him a go. Get him a go.
So, April, how much you think? How many you think Quasi got?
She's about. Hey, she want to know how much Quasi got. He done wiped him down. She want to know how many he got.
He about to bowl a perfect game, so I don't know.
Yeah, his ass knocking the shit down like he finna fucking put a hole in the damn thing.
She mad. She threw it
Don't sit down. You
How many you think she got?
I don't know. Quasi, it's not your turn yet.
It is a battle between Pussy and Quasi. And she's big mad right now. Big mad. They bet it $20. You might well get that dub up. Get that dub up. Bruh is in the lead. Do y'all see the score? Bruh is in the lead. Come on, Kiki. Come on, Kiki. Come on, Kiki. Yes, sir. Sharon, what you got, Kiki? Sharon, what you got? Don't play with her. Don't play with Kiki. Don't play with her. Yes, sir. Go and break their neck, Quasi. Go and break their neck with it. Go and break their neck, cuz.
Ain't no fight this time.
He can clean it up. Clean it up, cuz. Clean it up, cuz. Clean it up, cuz. Clean it up. There you go, cuz. Come on, cuz. Come on, cuz. Clean it up, cuz.
There you go, there you go.
That my girl go over there. Yes, sir. Oh, look at them over there. Oh.
I tried to kiss the goat, man.
Let's see what the birthday girl gonna do. What's she gonna do?
114.
Oh, he in the lead. He in the lead. 114. Quay got 114. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Amen. Get that. Get it, A. Get it, A. Get it, A. Yeah.
That
Get
one,
it
man.
out, sexy. Get it, sexy. Get it, sexy. Clean it up. Come clean it up, sexy. Come clean it up. Come clean it up.
With you though, cause they not. You didn't do that.
Hold up. She finna clean it up. Clean it up, sexy. Come on, sexy. Clean it up. There you go. Oh, sexy, you know some things. Don't clean it up. Oh, sexy, clean it up. Oh, Big Daddy, bro, come on. Come clean him up, Big Daddy. Come
I
clean
need
him up.
everybody to clap for me just like I did.
All right, Trill, what you got going, Trill? Are you gonna wipe him out or wipe him down? What you gonna do? You gonna wipe him up or wipe him down? Which one? Now you gonna knock somebody out, Trill.
I'm really talking like.
Go and wipe him down and wipe him out. Which one you doing? Damn, you wiped him out. You didn't wipe him out, you wiped him down. Clean it up, man. Clean it up, man. Clean it up, man. Yes, don't play with her. She been cleaning them out over there. Dusting them. Yeah, what you got, Trill? What you got, Trill? Clean them out. All right. Wipe them down. Wipe them down.
got 144.
Okay, you got another one. Hey. We had chickens and fries though.
I don't know if that
Damn. Let me try to fix it.
They don't sell it. They I need to make sure that's us.
Why do I still got 10 though? I got 10 though.
Damn. Let me try to clean it up. Sam, it didn't do it. It didn't do it. It ain't do nothing. It's all good. Y'all see the party. Y'all see the party. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Any more drinks?
You already know.
Okay, let me get Brian. Let me get. What you doing, BNT? What you doing? You making some noise? You making some noise? BNT said he making a little song. Go on, clean them up. Clean them up.
You didn't get a strike though.
Go on, clean them up. Go on, clean them up. He can clean that up. He can clean that up. Forget a strike. That man cleaned it up though. He cleaned it up though. He cleaned it up though. He cleaned it up all the way up. What you got, Kiki? What you got, Kiki? Baby roll. Shy, what you doing, Shy? Yes, sir. Don't play with Shy. Come clean that thing up, Shy. Come clean it up. We dusting y'all team. I got more than all y'all over there on that board. I got y'all see the board over here. Y'all see the board over there. I got the least one. I got more than them over there.
Okay, I was trying to see what's still recording.
Oh, it is. How you know it stopped?
When it started turning red up there.
Oh, okay, okay. Kiki, what happened?
I just left one.
Oh, okay.
I'm up there.
What you got for us, Quay? What you got for us? Come clean it up, Quay. Come clean that thing up. Go on, clean it up for me. Go on, clean it up. Go on, clean it up. It's okay, Auntie. It's all right, Auntie. Post the one over here and April one over there. Oh, no, it's between April and Nisha. Big Daddy up next. Go and wipe him out. Go and wipe him out. Is that one? Nah, that's it right there.
Because this is a 9. I know this is a medium. Okay.
No, that's it right there, because that's the one I use too, the smaller one.
The one I use say extra small. It say medium. So that ain't it.
Wait. It's my turn. What?
No, it ain't still his go. Come on, clean it up. Clean it up.
Oh, that's on me.
I got a red pen on there.
Clean it up. Clean it up.
You got 120.
Come on, Cuckoo, knock him down. Knock him down one time. Knock him down. Knock him down. Knock him down. Knock him down. Take him out. Take him out. Take him out. Hey, she said she left one behind. Just one behind. Big Daddy missed the cleanup. Come on, Trill. What you got for us? She's ordering food and drinking tequila, not participating in the bowling. Yeah.
Edit me out. Edit me out.
What you got for us, Trill?
Y'all ready?
Yeah, we ready. What you got for me? What you got for me? What you got for me? Come on, Nisha, let's get it. Trill, that was not it. That was not it. I knew it when you rolled the ball. You need to tighten up. That's not it. Try it again. Try it again. Alright, Trill said she would clean that thing up. I know that, right? She left one body hanging. That's it. Boy, you so messy.
I am.
No, I don't fault business. Yeah, and it is like officially my goal. They worry about me rolling. I'm just participating. You know what I'm saying?
Good shot.
What you doing, A? What you doing, A? Yes, birthday girl. Yeah. Clean it up, April. Clean it up. Clean it up, April. Clean it up.
Let me clean yours up, Tony.
Clean it up. Go clean it up. Go clean it up. Go clean it up. I'm really the recorder. You know what I'm saying?
For China all my life.
Yeah. Yeah, the body. Yeah. For sure. Damn, you left somebody's. We going down. We going down. The Fed's coming. The Fed's on the way.
The iPhone came.
Who that is? Oh, April got to show out. She's showing out for you. She finna clean it up and knock them all down. Ooh. Come clean it up, BNT. Come clean it up. Come clean it up. Showing you ain't playing. Come clean it up. April 3 pins. Come clean it up.
Clean it up or what?
You clean it up or you wiping it out? Let get it. Let get it. Let get it. Let go. Let go. April said she cleaned them out, baby. She ain't leaving them but about it back. Y'all see that scope for real? Y'all see what these folks doing for real? This how they playing over here. This team over here doing something for real. I don't know what they doing over there.
All the people doing something up there.
Ain't nobody doing that but April over here for real. And Quasi, he just,
My mama got that.
he done took him out the park. He done took him out the park. Quasi won on our team. We ain't even in denial. They on food and tequila. They ain't even both.
Oh, you guys, I didn't tell y'all. Okay, here's Malky. We missed him all day. He was over his parents' house for a cookout. But y'all, we won the not won. We bought,
Yeah,
but
right. You don't like to say it.
but
It's like you want it, but you
you
paid for it.
We paying for it. So, but the not the swag. Right. I need to clean this what you call it?
What?
If my video was a little dark, I had it on a crazy setting, y'all. But the Travis Scott, what they call? I don't be knowing none of these shoes names. I'll just get them.
Scott, what they call?
I'll just be getting
I
them.
tell her, hey, into this raffle.
I don't be.
Canary yellows.
Okay, so we both hit on sneakers out for those, so that's pretty cool. So we both
pretty cool.
we got them both in my size, so we're gonna sell one and keep one. So we're doing a do I sound drunk, y'all? This remind me of the old days. Oh, goddamn. When we used to be in here recording young and dumb. But yeah, so we're gonna do when we get them in the mail, we're gonna do a box opening. I said box opening. He can't stand me. That little ass nigga, he put it up. You might as well fold me up, dog.
You can get some more.
Might as well pull me up, dog. Might as well pull me up, dog. I'm Jesus. Remember you used to say that?
Oh, Jesus.
But yeah, y'all. So today's the end of the day. We're vlogging all weekend for y'all. So tomorrow, my mom's cooking and family's coming over. Same family you seen at bowling. They gonna be there. And we're gonna chill and vibe out. It's gonna be a good day tomorrow. Look at this, look good. This light, it looks perfect.
Like a black.
Yeah, in the back, y'all.
Here, drinking yours.
Hold on, man. You gonna have to put me some more. This is cool though. They recorded so much at the movie theater. I think it's running out of space on this.
Bro. It's hot as hell in here, or out here. That's the game of chess shit, I guess. Will we get in here again? Is it coming off?
though. I don't know. Yeah, I think so. I'm coming over.
Memorial Day weekend. Life's a game.
Red velvet ones?
Red velvet.
Or should I get these?
I like red velvet, of course. What's the price looking like?
$10.99.
Yeah, that'll do. Shit, yes. Of course, we gotta go get some alcohol. And she needs some Capriccio.
Teleport so high. Cause everybody
Teleport junkie. Once again, my chest set, I guess. I wish they still had them Long Island iced teas. Wish we had Long Island iced tea. They used to be right over there. Yeah, over there. Oh well. That'll get you right. I'm tired, boss.
Me too. Alright.
And look what I got on there.
Yeah, she trying to get this. She gonna try us else. They talking about, yeah, I go to Sam's and get some.
Oh, you don't want to be in it?
That was everything yesterday.
Let's watch baseball.
Oh, those people talking about she was gonna break. She was gonna stop that Sam's.
Let me see that part. Wow.
You made these damn ass too, man.
What?
These damn ass.
Sure, you might have done.
No.
Who made these?
I did. What's the Wi-Fi shot?
Give me one too. My plate was a little low. I know it was low.
You sure McCall was here?
He been here before you.
Where was he?
I guess he was in Quincy room or something.
Oh, yeah, she know.
Well, get it out.
Y'all don't need to be. We ain't trying to look, y'all. Y'all don't check.
Okay.
But he outside tonight.
Okay, SpongeBob. You like SpongeBob? You like SpongeBob Black?
No. He like Peppa Pig. No, I don't. I mean, he like Papa Shaw. He like Papa Shaw. Yes, you do. He like Papa Shaw. You're not doing. What you like?
My Quaisi.
Oh, he like just how he did.
Quaisi.
Favorite one.
So, Mom, you see me before?
Man, you gonna get off mine. Nah, Boosie.
Do you like blue?
She been on all morning.
Yeah, I do.
Ooh.
Leaving. Like. Disobedient too.
Ooh.
Like Carnage.
Ooh, okay.
My favorite show is Bluey, Elsa,
Elsa or Frozen?
Frozen, Minions.
Not Minions. I like Minions too. I like Trolls. I like Trolls. Do you like Trolls?
Oh yeah. I got spoiled.
We playing bingo? Yeah. You want us to win your birthday dollars? Y'all, come on, about to win this money. You want us to take your birthday money?
You want to play
We'll take your birthday money.
I got.
I'm telling you.
I do a double. I do a double. I got
I know, right? That was good. That was good.
Big Daddy!
I'm going to fix me something.
Big Daddy!
Oh, you got your own money? Let me borrow, doll. I ain't got no money. She's not gonna have no money. Okay?
That's like two.
Because all she wanted to do was buy something to eat. She's okay, because I got you. Now, what if I'm winning? Ain't gonna be able to pay you
He got more than two. He got 5 too.
Oh, you're gonna make sure you ready for bingo?
Bottle for any lemonade.
You see they got the thing to count the thing?
Nah, I ain't been on
They
that.
say bring that bingo on here. You don't know that money.
I'm ready.
Good.
Because a $5.
I'm gonna put you got
How much that is? $5 and $1.
shaking your head.
Oh, you know that money. What you found up to the bingo?
A little bit, not too much. What about you? Nothing. I know.
You say you got money at home.
I think everything
Home bingo money.
I ain't good.
Really? Oh, they own bingo money
You
now.
got break on the floor, you got $6.
Eat that chicken,
Y'all
girl.
been showing me y'all tails.
Nah, Bailey, really. And Blake eating all of his chicken too.
I got groceries, but that's for my baby. That's for my baby. That's for whoever in the house.
I'm the baby.
So crying.
Hey, Bailey's talking something. I'm the baby.
That's a shame.
That's my stuff for summer camp.
For summer camp, you want to
camp.
you want to summer camp?
Cheer camp. Yes.
Yeah, everything in the bank right there.
You know that?
I make the team.
Oh, you got all the lemonade?
I learned at Academy.
Oh. Come on, oh.
It's a
Minute
Academy. Okay.
That's tail. That's cabbage. That's cabbage and tail.
That better little.
Oh, that's good.
Never get a booty.
I ain't knew that one.
Baby, if you eat out your plate, we're gonna put some more fall on there. That's dinner.
Oh,
Dinner.
yeah, dinner girl.
Facts at dinner.
Dinner girl.
Dinner. Blake, you gotta get full off that chicken now. Get your clothes at my house when we get there.
Ooh. You know, ooh.
It's so much shit. Baby, know the rule question. I'm being so serious. Why you think I'm playing? I'm so serious.
Catch your clothes.
Your mama put something in them? What is that? Your mama.
Whatever you want, they say ain't gonna be your house. I'm gonna fix them some breakfast. Before we drop sugar.
What, toast?
Ooh,
You
breakfast.
mean you gonna make me cook today?
Oh.
Oh, sausage and eggs in the morning.
Real waffles or Eggo? Real waffle fat or Eggo?
Eggo. I'm gonna put them in the oven. They gonna get right.
Home style.
They gonna get right.
So you gotta be there at 3. Y'all only stay there an hour.
Why you gotta be at 3?
They got a picnic. 3 to 5, that's an hour. Now he need to be coming in and lift his stuff to go to his house.
Yeah.
He can't drop the party is over tomorrow. No, Ronnie, don't he need to lift his own stuff?
Hell, no, I ain't trying to live it. The big? The box one?
Man,
We still got a brand new bed. We don't get all the box frames and all the radios. But I